Hi there, welcome to another Jira Gems. This time we're going to look at adding a new status onto our board. So if we look at our board just here, we've got to do, in progress and done, so they are the column names. And each column can have more than one status. So to see what statuses we have in a column, we go to these little three dots up here in the top right and click on board settings. And then we can see what the status is in each column. Now, as you can see, these columns only have one status each, and the name of the status currently matches the name of the column, but that doesn't need to be the case. You can have statuses in a column that have a different name to what the column has. You can have multiple statuses under one column, but one status can only belong to one column. You can't have the same status in more than one column, so you couldn't put to do in, for instance, to do and in progress. Every status can only have one home. So how do we add another status? It's really simple. You can see down here, down the right hand side, there's the add status button. So we just click on that. Actually, we'll take a little look first at a ticket. So here's a ticket, and these are the current statuses that are available to the ticket. So you can see there is no won't do there. So that's the status that I want to add to my board. I want to be able to say, I'm not going to do this ticket. So we add the status, and if you type in some of the word, obviously it's an autofill, and there is our won't do status, and you can see the category, it just changed that to a very faint done, which in this case you can't change. So won't do is a status that we currently have already. It's an existing one. In a different video, I'll show you how to make a new one if it doesn't exist, and you just add that to your project. Now, as you can see, it's put it over here in the right-hand column under unmapped statuses, because when I created the status or added the status, I didn't have a column selected. So to move it into the column that you want, you just click and drag, and there it is in the done column. There's no save button, you just drag it in and then it's done. So you see what I meant about you can have multiple statuses under one column. So we go back to our board there. Now if we go back to our ticket and refresh this, let me just refresh that page. So now you can see we have won't do as one of the status that we can select. So it's very, very easy to do. And yeah, that's it. So thanks for listening, and see you next time.